Hi, do you have a passion to help people? You know, that burning desire where you would love to assist people so that the quality of their lives could be oh so much more. Well, I have a passion. I have a call on my life to teach parents. So my calling is to assist any parents in whatever way possible so that their lives and their children's lives can just be so much better. Yes, I am a retired teacher and school administrator. I'm also a parent and a grandparent. Been on both sides of the fence. I know what teachers need from parents to help the children be successful, but I also know what parents need to help the children be more successful. I've worked with parents and teachers and children for over 40 years, not even including the years when I myself was a child. Come on, that's experience too, you know. But worked with parents and children and teachers for so many years. I do have an expertise in that area. Yes, I understand some days things are going so well. But what about the days when things are falling apart? And even when the things are going well at home, there still are some routines, some strategies that we need to be aware of to continue with the smoothness, the transitions in life. I talked with a parent once. Actually, she was a grandparent. And she said she just gave her child, the grandchild, anything they wanted, whatever they asked for. She just tried to find a way to give it to them. And I asked a question, why do you do that? And she thought about it for a moment and she said, well, I want them to love me. And at that time, I wasn't even a grandparent, but I looked at her and I said, so your grandchild loves the things, not the giver. And she had to think about that for a while. So I would love to share experiences and expertise with parents. We have to realize we're all in this life together. We're here to help one another. And I'm here to help. Just let me know. What do we need to talk about? Do we need to talk about academics? Do you have a concern? Do you need a tutor? I have resources, a list of them, a book of them that I can share. Is your child defiant, disrespectful? What about an introvert? Do they go in their room and never come out until it's time to go to school the next day or eat? Does your child know how to share and socialize? Be friendly? What concerns might you have, even for the future? Let's talk about them and let's work them out together.